Indices Example 1. You're supposed to simplify this expression. Now, here, what we have is x raised to the power of a half, and that is raised to the power of 3. That's the first thing we have there. Multiplied by the square root of x to the power of 9. I want you to pause the video and give it a try. Okay, you paused, you gave it a try. What did you get when you simplified it? Let's look at this. Now, we want to write each power, each index clearly. X, we're going to write it as a number or a fraction instead of a root sign and so on. First of all, remember, x to the power of a half to the power of 3. When we have a number raised to a power and raised to another power, we multiply the powers. So we have a half times 3. That's 3 divided by 1. Let's write it as a fraction as well. Great, that's what we have. Multiplied by, when you have the square root of a number, it's really the number raised to the power of a half. So what we have is x to the 9 raised to the power of a half. Now, here, half times 3. This is x raised to the 3 halves. See that? Multiplied by x to the 9 to the half is going to be x to the 9 times half. Same thing as x to the 9 halves. 9 divided by 2. So you see that. What do we have here now? When you have a number raised to a power multiplied by the same number raised to another power, remember what you do? You add the powers. Alright? So you have x raised to the 3 halves plus 9 halves. Oh. Right? Now, the thing is, if you have 3 halves and you get 9, add 9 halves, how many halves you have in all? It's x to the 9 and 3, 12. 12 halves. If you remember your fraction, you could add these as fractions, and you see that it is 12 divided by 2, 12 halves. 12 divided by 2 is 6, so it's x raised to the power of 6.